Marhaba again. In this video, we'll dive into the multiples of 10, the numbers 20, 30 until 90. You should be able to count to 99 in Arabic after watching this video. So let's jump in. Let's start with 20, 20. You might ask, but I once heard it 20. True, both mean 20. Now, when to use 20 and when to use 20 then depends on the location of the word in the sentence, which has to do with grammar, which I recommend to skip, especially if you're an absolute beginner. So for now, 20 or 20, they both mean 20, and the default is 20. That applies to the rest of the numbers. So if they end with un or in, it's the same.
Then you should try the local dish called undun.
And 20 is gonna be the only anomaly here. I mean, I know it has nothing to do with اثنان or 10. So just memorize it. 20. Next, 30. 30. Now things are gonna be easy. The word 30 is like the number ثلاثة, which means 3, only without the tight ta, the ta مربوطة. Instead, it has a waw and a noon, un, which gives us 30. By the way, ثلاث is male 3, so 30 is actually the number 3 in Arabic, followed by un. This will apply to the rest of the numbers. 40, which is 4 times 10. In Arabic, 4 is أربعة, or أربع, the male 4. Add to that un, and it becomes أربعون. 40 is أربعون. So, not to get you confused, it's about omitting the tight ta, deleting the tight ta if it exists at the end of the word, and adding un instead, adding waw and noon. Okay, so 50, which is 5 times 10. 5 is خمسة in Arabic. Remove the tight ta and you'll get خمس. Add waw and noon, un, and you'll get خمسون. 50 is خمسون. See, as simple as that. Let's do the same for the rest of the numbers. 60. 6 in Arabic is ستة. Remove ta مربوطة and you'll get ست. Now add the waw and noon, un, and you'll get ستون. So 60 is ستون. Okay. 70. 7 in Arabic is سبعة. Remove the ta مربوطة and you'll get سبع. Add the waw and noon, un, we get سبعون. Now pay attention to 80. Now 8 in Arabic is ثمانية. When you remove the tight ta, you will get ثماني. That's 5 letters, which is a bit longer than the rest of the numbers. So it had to sacrifice the ya as well. So you get ثمان, 4 letters. Now add un, the waw and noon, and you'll get ثمانون, which is 80. Okay. 90 is similar to the previous numbers. So the same steps. 9, remove the ta مربوطة, 9. Add waw and noon, un, and we get تسعون.
9. No!
The same steps. So now we have the multiples of 10 covered, but as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we want to count till 99. So how to combine the multiples of 10 with the numbers from 1 to 9? Like how do I say 25 or 84 and so on in Arabic? Actually, it's quite simple. You just have to add and, which is wa in Arabic. Meaning, if I want to say 25, for example, I have to say 5 and 20 in Arabic, which is خمسة وعشرون. خمسة وعشرون. Okay? 89 is 9 and 80. تسعة وثمانون. 44, 4 and 40. In Arabic, أربعة وأربعون. and so on. So here's an exercise for you. Try to count from 20 to 99. Count from 20 to 99. You can do it. Trust me. When you successfully do it, comment below and feel free to share your thoughts as well. Now, if you have any questions or if you need more explanations, just comment below. Practice, count, and I'll see you in the next video.